To most easily transfer information from an estimate to an invoice in QuickBooks Online, the estimate status should be accepted. It cannot be closed. It must also be saved and cannot have already been fully invoiced. If using QuickBooks Payments with estimates, customers can accept estimates in the forms you send, which changes their status. Alternatively, to manually change an estimate status, open the estimate, and then use the drop-down towards the top of the pane that appears at the right side of the window to change its status. To show this pane if you don't see it, click the Manage button in the toolbar at the top of the estimate window. If needed, enter who accepted the estimate into the Accepted By field in the fields at the top of the actual estimate form, and then enter the date the estimate was accepted into the Accepted Date field. Then save your changes. Also, if you want to send progress invoices or partial invoices from an estimate in QuickBooks Online, first make sure to enable progress invoicing in the QuickBooks Online company file. To enable progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online if needed, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then select the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu to open the Settings window. Then click the Sales category in the menu at the left side of the window. Then click into the Progress Invoicing section to the right to activate it. Then click the Create Multiple Partial Invoices from a Single Estimate toggle switch to set it to the On position. Then click the Save button at the bottom of the section. Finally, click the Done button at the bottom of the window to close it. Note that if you create a new progress invoicing custom form style of your own, only the ARI New custom form style template works with progress invoicing by letting you check the Show Progress on Line Items checkbox under the Show More Activity Options settings when customizing the line item section on the Content tab when customizing a form style, as shown in a previous lesson. To invoice from an accepted estimate in QuickBooks Online, click the Estimates link under the Customer Hub app in the All Apps bar to open the Estimates page. Then find the estimate to convert into an invoice in the Estimates list and click its Convert to Invoice link under its Action column. If you have the default full invoicing from estimates enabled in QuickBooks Online, the program then converts the estimate into an invoice and shows it within the window. To see the linked estimate in the new invoice window, click the link for the estimate, which appears below the invoice title in this window, to show the estimate number and a Remove button in a drop-down menu. If needed to remove the estimate, click the Remove button. After converting the invoice, you can then send it as usual. Alternatively, if you enabled progress invoicing, a How Much Do You Want to Invoice window instead opens after you click the Convert to Invoice link. In this window, select the option button that corresponds to the quantity of the estimate to invoice. To invoice for the full or remaining line item estimate amounts, select the Remaining Total of All Lines option. Alternatively, to invoice for a percentage or amount of the total line items from the estimate, select the Percentage or Amount option button. Then enter the percentage of each line item to invoice into the percentage field that appears, or enter the total amount to bill into the invoice amount field that appears. However, only enter a value into one of these two fields, as the other recalculates automatically. Alternatively, to invoice a custom amount for each line item from the estimate, select the Manual Entry for Each Line option button. After making your selection, then click the Create Invoice button in this window. The new invoice window opens and shows the line item amounts to bill from the estimate. To enter the individual line item amount to invoice, if you selected the Custom Amount for Each Line option, click into the Due column for each line item to bill. Then click the Percent or Amount toggle switch to set it to the desired choice. Then enter the amount or percentage of that line item to bill into the adjacent field. if needed, to select your custom progress invoice template. Click the Design section in the Manage pane at the right side of the invoice and select the Progress Invoice Custom Form template. However, you'll only need to do this if you didn't set the Progress Invoice Custom Form template as your default invoice template choice. Finally, save and send the invoice as usual. You'll later repeat this process of creating progress invoices in the future to invoice for the remaining estimate amounts as needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.